Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. I look so hideous today. Anyway, so Sam starts work in about an hour, so we're gonna go to McDonald's again. And we're gonna get some breakfast, just something quick and easy, because obviously we don't have too long until he starts work, and then I'll drop him off at work. And then I'm heading home, and I have lots to do today. I have to edit and film, and I also really want to get the rest of my giveaways wrapped, like the ones from October. Well, they only finished in November, but you know, I want to get the rest of those wrapped, and yeah, hopefully get them sent out either this week or next week. I might have to split it up over 2 weeks because shipping is very expensive. So I've already shipped out I think 6 of them, so I've got like 20 or so more. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for Sam to finish getting ready. I think he's just doing his hair or brushing his teeth or something. Yeah, and then we're gonna go back. Hopefully today's vlog will be a bit longer, because I actually have the day off today. I know I'm wearing my work uniform. I stayed at Sam's and forgot to bring a change of clothes, so I'm wearing my work uniform. But it's fine, I'm going home and then I'll get changed. So yeah, I have like the day off today, so I'll actually have some more time to like vlog and do some fun things. So yeah, that's what we are doing today. We're putting up the Christmas tree tomorrow. I'm so excited, so that'll be a really fun Vlogmas video. My family, like my nephew and stuff, is coming over to set it all up, so I'm so excited. That's gonna be so much fun. Putting up the Christmas tree is like, it's when Christmas really starts, you know. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys soon. Okay, we just got our Macca's. We both got a caramel frappe, and then Sam got an egg and Sam got, what did you get? Sausage and egg? Yeah. Sausage and egg, and I got a egg and bacon. So we're gonna eat this now, and then yeah, I'll take Sam to work soon. He starts in half an hour, so yeah. Okay, so I'm home now. I just uploaded my second giveaway for December, so go check that out if you want to enter. And then I've just written a list of everything I need to do today. So I want to try and edit 5 videos. I need to upload my 3 videos for today. I need to wrap the rest of my giveaway prizes from the October, November giveaways. Then I need to take the rest of the pictures for the giveaways for December. I want to film a Christmas makeup look today. I need to buy Sam's present. And I also want to edit 5 photos for SoJo Beauty. So yeah, that's my list for to do today. But first I'm going to take a nap because I'm so tired. And I only wake up like a little while ago, but I don't know. I just want to watch some Friends and chill for a bit. And yeah, have a bit of a nap. And then when I wake up, I will get into work. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'll show you what I do after I wake up. Okay, so I just woke up. It's like 2:30. I don't know why I'm so tired. I don't know. Anyway, I'm awake now, so I need to be productive. So what I'm going to do first is edit the videos that need to go up tonight. I think I might have some lunch as well because I'm kind of hungry. I haven't eaten since this morning, obviously I've been asleep. So yeah, I think what I'll do now is I'll edit some videos, upload them. It's actually raining at the moment, which I hate. Well, no, I actually I love the rain, but it makes me not want to film. It makes me want to be in bed. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna go. I don't know what to have for lunch. Like, I'm just really hungry. I don't know. There's like nothing to eat. Yeah, I don't know. I'll find something to make anyway. But yeah, and then I will edit, and yeah, that's it, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna have some lunch first. I just made myself some nachos, just something pretty basic. I'm gonna watch some Kendall Ray, and then I think I'll get into editing. So yeah, that's what I'll do now. Alright, so I just finished editing Vlogmas day 2. So I'm gonna export that now and put that one up. I'll schedule that for about 5 PM, and then I need to edit my actual like beauty video for tonight. I don't think I'm gonna film today, honestly. I just really I'm not in a filming mood. It's like rainy and miserable, and yeah, I don't know, I just don't really feel like filming today. So I think what I'm gonna do is just make the most of like editing. Yeah, I think I'll just edit as many videos as I can and kind of get sorted out for the next couple of days. Yeah, tomorrow night we're putting up our Christmas tree, which I'm really excited about. My dad just got home. Let's go see my dad. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just not really feeling like filming today, which is fine. Like, oh, who's he talking to? Hello.
Hello.
Who are you talking to?
Alright, I'll unlock the door. I'll unlock it.
Who are you talking to? Oh, Bill. Yeah, it was locked and I didn't have my key. Say hello.
Hi.
What are you doing? Mail. Oh. Here's my girl. I think she's had a bit of a boring day today because it's been raining. What's wrong? Come here. What's wrong? Grandpa had one of his friends come over before and she was really not having it. Wait, darling, you don't like strangers, do you? She hates anyone at our house. She's the weirdest like pet that I've ever had. We had a golden retriever and he was so different to her. She's a lab and they're usually like the same, but she's just so protective. She hates people, she hates other dogs. She just loves her mum and her family. Ah, you silly girl! She just loves her mum and her family and actually hates everyone else, don't you, darling? She's so weird. Like, labs are just not like that, but she is. So yeah, she's weird. She's a very weird one, but I love her. What you doing, baby? My dad's bringing up the bins. She's just so cute. What you doing? Show me your face. I love you, I love you, I love you. She was so upset when I got home because I was at Sam's last night and she was like, she just hates when I leave her and she gets very upset. But anyway, I'm home tonight, so she'll be happy about that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a bit more editing, I think. And yeah, probably just do some inside activities. I think I actually want to light a candle because today is just like a kind of like miserable day, you know. It's just like rainy and a bit cold, so maybe I'll light a candle. Let's go choose a candle to light. What one? I don't know what one to do. Maybe my glass house one. This is pumpkin, that's pumpkin pie. The magic spell one from Glass House. It was like one that they brought out for Halloween. I don't know if they still like have it for sale or not, but if they do, you should check it out because it's really good. So yeah, I'm gonna light that now. Okay, all good. There it is. It's very cute. It comes in this like beautiful like black jar and then it like glows purple. It's actually like such a cool candle. I really love it. There's all my baby, well, like not mine specifically, but there's all the family's baby photos. This is my juice I'm drinking. It looks gross, but it's so nice. What does it say? Strawberry, raspberry, banana, pear, and mango and blueberry. It's a berry smoothie. It's got a 5-star health rating, which is great. And my mum's not home yet, so I'm sitting at her desk while I'm doing my editing. Okay, my video has exported now, so I'm gonna upload that. But yeah, honestly, I think I'll probably, yeah, just kind of not do much for the rest of the day. Like, I'll do like work stuff, but yeah, I don't really feel like filming, and there's no point like forcing myself when I don't, because you know, like I don't know, and they're just not my best work. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap my giveaway, the rest of the giveaway stuff, and yeah. So I'll probably watch some YouTube while I do that. So I think that's what I'll do now. I don't want to show you doing that because once again, people's addresses and stuff. But yeah, anyway, I'll get into that now. I'm gonna try into iced chocolate. I don't know if this will work, but I just put a bit of drinking chocolate in this plastic cup and some boiling water out of the kettle. I'm gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna add some ice and some ice cream. We have no ice, what the hell? This is gonna ruin my idea. We normally have heaps of ice, so I don't know if this is gonna work now. Anyway, still try, I guess. I'm so sorry about that. Alright, now I'll blend it. I'm so sad that there's no ice, like, what the hell? It tastes really good, but I'm just sad that there's no ice. It's not cold enough, you know? But apart from that, it's really good. Alright, I'm doing pretty well. So I've got 3 in here. These two are the big giveaway prize winners. So that one needed 2 bags, and then I've got that one. And then I've just got all the rest of them in here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 6 in there, 3 in there. And I've already sent out 6, I think. So yeah, I'm coming along. We've still got a few more to wrap. I think like another, I don't know, like 15, 20 to wrap. So yeah, I've done all the Australian ones first, because I needed to get some customs forms, but now I have all my customs forms, so I'm going to start doing all my international ones. Someone asked me if I only chose Australian people, and I was like, well, one, I don't even choose it because it's a random giveaway generator, but they reckon that like all of the people are from Australia. But I was like, well, like over half of my audience is from Australia, so of course a lot of Australians are gonna win, but I don't pick it, and there is like at least, you know, just under half that are international as well. So but yeah, I just feel like it rubs me the wrong way, because I'm like, I'm not trying to be shady, I'm not trying to do anything wrong, like I use a random giveaway generator. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap the rest now, or try and wrap the rest. So yeah, honestly this takes a long time. I really feel for business owners because they do such a good job. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try and wrap the rest. I'm just watching some Paige Corin while I do it, watching her Vlogmas videos. They're so fun. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Alright, it's been like an hour or so now. No, actually it's probably been like a couple of hours, but I honestly didn't get much else done because my mum went out for tea tonight, and halfway through she started to feel really sick and had to come home, and I just worry about my mum. Like, I don't know, she never really, like, I don't know. Anyway, I just get up like worried when she feels sick and stuff, especially considering like she came home halfway through tea. I was like, oh no, like, anyway, it's just better. So yeah, I just spent like the last couple of hours just with her and hanging out with her and my dad. So yeah, I honestly haven't really done much else. But I think what I'm going to do now is, what's the time? It's about 8:30 now, so I think I'm going to get my videos for tomorrow ready. And yeah, I'll probably end this vlog about here, I guess, because yeah, I've got to edit this to get this up tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow this vlog will be a lot more interesting, and I've got some more fun things coming up in December. Like Sam and I are going away. There's something on my floor and I can't make out what it is because I don't have my glasses on. My vision is so bad, so I'm like trying to figure it out what it is, but I can't see because I have my glasses. But anyway, so yeah, Sam and I are going away a bit later in December. tomorrow we're putting up the tree and stuff. Sam and I are gonna go Christmas light looking one night. So yeah, I've got a few other things that like are in the way, but yeah, that's that, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 3. Sorry it was a bit boring. I was like this morning, you know, today's gonna be so much fun because I'm at home, and then I just slept the whole afternoon, so oops. But yeah, I'm just gonna edit my video and then, well, my videos, and then go to bed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.